Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get your Twice login details in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down, press on Google. Select your account and go to manage your Google account. Now go to security. Now scroll down and press on password manager. From here you can see twice.tv. You have to press on this. Enter your password. Now from here you can able to get your Twice login details. That's it. So this is how to get Twice login details in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.